Ananya? First front page only, second page. Okay, okay. That is rules. Then the other page? Okay, okay. I marked, okay. Now up to Sanega. Sanega. Show me your activity. Yes, yes. Front page I saw. Yes. Second page. Third page. Okay. Sanega's name. Yes. Activity 2. Okay. Sanega. Amida?
Ma'am, I have done, but I need to write it properly.
Okay, no problem. Tuesday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Nihal Mustafa? Show me the activity and you can complete. If it is some more work is there, you can do. Okay. Okay. Front page. Yes. 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 Okay, good. Yes. Nihal Mustafa. Then here, Aaron Anthony. Yes, front page. Front page, then second page. Okay, okay. Okay, Aaron. Yes, yes, Aaron. I marked, Aaron, I marked.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now, Anthony. Anthony. Your activity is there, Anthony? Yes, math. Where is he? Math. Then? Second page. Second page. Sorry, child. Can you see anything, children? I cannot see. Will you lift the page up? Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, Anthony.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can show my activity clearly if I just turn the camera.
Wait, Smriti. Let me mark everyone's. Okay. So, Anthony, Vijo, Abhyuday, I marked. Ashish, Ananya, Jindo, if you have the activity, you show me. Anna, Devaganga, all of you take your activity and keep it ready. Ananya, Jindo, if you have the activity, you show me. Or you take it. I'll give the time. Anna? Yes, Anna, you have the activity now? Yes. Show me your activity. Be ready with your activity, okay? Don't waste my time. Yes, Anna. Yes, yes, yes. Then? Yes. Okay. Okay, Anna. Thank you. Okay. Now, who was there sitting? Devaganga has gone somewhere?
Ma'am,
you have the activity?
I have to complete it few more.
No problem. No problem. Tomorrow, on Tuesday you complete. Okay, then Sebastian Armstrong is there in our class?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. He's from another class.
Sebastian Armstrong?
No.
Okay. So, Sri Rudra?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your activity fast.
Ma'am, I'm in my auntie's home, so I don't have it with me now.
Okay, okay. Tuesday you should bring.
Okay, ma'am. It's there with me in my...
Okay. Arjun Krishna? Arjun? Arjun? Namasya? All of you? Not seeing? How many are there to show me?
Ma'am, I am here. Ma'am, Namaskar.
Namasya, turn on your camera first. All darkness.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, my video is on.
No, no, dear. Your video is not on. Okay, Ananda Krishnan, Ismail, Suhim, Harriet.
Yes.
Harriet? Sure. Yes, yes, yeah. Oh, yellow color. Yes, yes. Okay, 1 minute, Namaste, 1 minute. Okay, okay, Harriet. Yes, yes, very good, Harriet. Harriet, I marked. Okay. Now, Namasya. Ismail, wait. Namasya, yes, yes. Yes. Second page. Yes. Ismail. Yes, Namasya, I saw. Ismail, show me your activity. Yes, yes. Second page. Second page, Ismail. Yes, yes. Good. So, Ismail Suhim also I marked. And anyone is there who is there with who has the activity with you now? And Vinay Guardian, if you have the activity, you speak. All of you, if you have the activity. Those who are still there to show. Yes, Vinayak. Yes, Vinayak, second page.
Ma'am, I showed the first page already.
Second page I want to see.
Ma'am, now he showed the second page.
Yes. Okay, okay. Okay, Vinayak. Vinayak I marked. Shravana did not reach. Okay. Now anyone is there? Smriti is, yes, yes, Smriti. No problem, Smriti. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Second page. Yes. Okay, I saw. Now no need of sending. Okay, I marked Smriti's. Okay, children, now anyone is there? Any more student is there to show? And the Krishnan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I am having
Yes.
a little more to complete.
No problem. Tuesday you bring. I have the names with me. Abhinav Sajan? Malavika Bini?
She's connecting to audio.
Okay, children, now shall I start class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yesterday we have studied one very interesting thing. What is that? Very easy one.
Subtraction of
No, we
integers.
did not start subtraction.
Addition of
Addition of integers.
No, 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 no. After that.
Additive
Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay. What is the additive inverse of positive 8?
Negative.
Negative 8. Okay, children. So subtraction, we are studying subtraction. We are doing subtraction. All of you, please listen. We are doing subtraction, but for subtraction, we won't do the subtraction. For there is no separate subtraction rules. Okay. What will happen is subtraction, addition is comparatively easy. Isn't it, children? Subtraction takes some more time and addition is very easy. So what we will do is, we will change subtraction into addition. Okay. First of all, we will change subtraction as addition. And we use the rules of addition only. There is no rules of subtraction. Subtraction, there are no rules. First of all, we'll change this subtraction as addition. And we will go according to the addition rules. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain. I will explain. Wait. So we are starting subtraction of integers. Okay, children? Start writing. Take your notes. Okay. Subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Of integers.
No.
Yes, yes, in the notes. Subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Will you tell the spelling of subtraction?
SUBTRACHIO.
Okay, okay. Don't read it as subtraction. Somebody, I used to hear some children are reading like that. Subtraction. There is no S in between. It is subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Sub and traction. So subtraction of integers. Okay, children. I'll give an example. Now listen to me, all of you. Even if you know addition, sometimes you may forget a subtraction. So it is very important. It is a very important thing. Okay, children? Listen to me. Everybody stop writing. Keep the pen there. All of you. Okay, then. Here, children. Subtraction of integers. Suppose 4 minus -5. Will you read the question?
4 minus.
4 minus -5.
Here, no. Here, this subtraction. Who is that? Somebody came to study maths? Okay. Okay, then. 4 minus -5. 4 minus -5. Here, no. Here, we are using the additive inverse. Namasya? Namasya, will you mute? Namasya, will you mute? Will you mute your audio?
My son's just talking only, ma'am.
No problem. Tell you
Ma'am, my
mute the
cousin
audio.
is talking.
Okay, okay. You mute the audio. Okay. So 4 minus -5. Look at the question. What is the question? Listen to me
4
carefully. Okay.
minus.
4
Minus
-5.
-5. 4 minus -5. Here we are using the additive inverse. Additive inverse. That property we are using here. And this minus, no, this minus subtraction, subtraction, we will change into addition. That is 4, you keep like that. No change for the first number. And addition, subtraction, we will change as addition. Then for equalizing that, we will do one more change here. That is second numbers additive inverse we will write. What is second numbers additive inverse? What is second number there?
+5.
So positive 5's additive inverse, sorry, negative 5's additive inverse is positive 5. Now, you know what is the answer?
+9.
4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, one more. I will explain it again and again, so that you can understand. Okay. First question. 4 minus -5. Here you should do 2 changes. There are no separate subtraction rules. So we are changing it into addition. Okay, children. Here, first number, no change. No change. Write first number like that itself. 4. Okay. Then comes the minus sign, subtraction sign. That you make it as plus. Same time, second number now. Second number.
Yes.
Second number's additive inverse. So negative 5's additive inverse. What is negative 5's additive inverse? Positive. And we will add it. We will add it. Okay. So what is 4 plus 5 answer?
9.
9. I'll give one more question. Second one. 9 minus -1. You have to think and you have to tell yourself that first number no change. Write that number like that itself. Okay.
In the notes now.
Wait, no need of writing now. 9, no change. Next, what will you change?
Minus sign.
Subtraction as addition.
Addition.
Now,
Then we will have to find the
second numbers additive inverse.
Additive
That
inverse.
means opposite sign. If it is plus, you have to write minus.
Minus.
If it is minus, you should write as plus.
Plus.
Okay. So it is minus now. -1. -1.
Positive 1.
Positive 1. Positive 1.
Positive.
No need of writing now. I will change all these questions. So what is 9 plus 1 now?
10.
10.
Positive.
Positive 10. Again. Next question. -5. Okay. Minus -3. Okay. So you tell to yourself that first number no change. What is first number here?
-5.
-5. No change for that number. Whatever be the number, you write like that. It's a bring down that number. Only that. Bring down that number. -5. Next change.
We will
We'll make subtraction into addition.
Okay. Subtraction as addition. Now,
Now the additive inverse of 3.
Additive inverse of -3.
second number's additive inverse. That is -3 change the sign.
Positive 3.
Positive 3. Now, you know there is no subtraction rules here. We'll use addition rules. If a question comes in the addition like this, how will you do? One negative and one positive.
And we will have to find the
We'll
difference.
have to subtract.
Which number has more strength? Do you remember? We are doing the addition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, -5. How much more?
Ma'am, 2 more.
2 more. So, what is the answer here?
-2.
2. See, children, even though the question is subtraction, we changed it into addition. Okay, 2 changes. 2 changes. That 2 changes, you don't forget, that is very important. And now we are moving to the rule of addition. Okay. And I'll give one more question. -10 minus -9. Okay, children. What is the first one? First thing you have to remember.
And the first number should
We
be
do not have to change the first number.
First number, no change. Repeat the first number, -10. Then,
I have to make
after that
subtraction
we will have
into
to
addition.
change the
okay,
subtraction.
2 continuous changes. 2 continuous changes, one by one. One change is minus as
Plus.
plus.
sign.
And inside the brackets, additive
Additive
inverse.
inverse.
Additive inverse.
What is that second number's additive inverse?
Positive 9.
9.
Positive 9. Now, you think about like this. When you add, one number is negative, one number is positive. How will you do?
We will have to find the difference.
Find the difference. Who is bigger?
Negative
Negative 10. How much big?
One time.
And that also negative. Negative
Negative
1 is
one.
our answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes, ma'am.
subtraction. This is subtraction. Nothing. You have to do one change. Two changes. 2 changes. Subtraction will make us plus. And additive inverse. Second numbers, additive inverse also will write. And we will move to the addition rules. We have 3 addition rules. Isn't it, children? 3 addition rules.
Yes,
If there
ma'am.
are 2 negative numbers, you will get a negative number. If there are 2 positive number, you will get a positive number. If 1 minus and 1 plus, you have to
If
find
the
the
positive-
difference
Find the difference.
and write the
Positive number
sign of
will
the big number.
Big number.
Okay, that is our rule. Yes. Now, see children, I don't want you to study. If you have any doubt now, you can ask me. Okay. Now, again, wait. Yes. Yes, child, ask.
Can you explain once more? I didn't understand.
Yes, I'll explain. Lot of times I'll explain. Wait. Okay. This is addition. See children, change all the problems. I think you are not. Can you see it now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Can you see that subtracting one addition I will give later? Can you see subtraction like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Subtracting. Change all problems to addition. Whenever you see subtraction, you have to change it to addition.
Addition.
And after that, what you have to do? Add the opposite.
Add the opposite.
Do you know what is add the opposite?
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite means
Opposite me.
additive inverse.
Additive inverse.
Okay. Add the opposite. So change all problems to addition and add the opposite. That means when you are doing subtraction problem, first of all you make it plus, and second numbers opposite you have to add. Okay.
Okay,
Again,
ma'am.
let me see. So any other questions are there? Okay, children. Then here, can you see one question? Negative
ma'am.
3, subtract.
Yes, ma'am.
Negative 3 is the number, negative 3. And minus positive 4. What is your first rule?
And the first number should be
First number should be the same.
Same. Okay. Who asked me the doubt? To explain it again? Yes? Ananya Vijish. Okay. So, negative 3 no change. Okay, children? Okay, Ananya? Negative 3 no change. So, negative 3 I will write like this. Negative 3. Now, we have to add opposite. Add opposite. This is the word you have to use. Add opposite. Okay. That means add means minus you have to change as plus. Then opposite. Opposite of the second number. That means negative 4. Positive 4, negative 4. Opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. Okay. Now what will you get? 2 negatives when you add?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. So answer is negative 7. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, second question. How will you do? First number, same. Now,
Subtraction
We have
sign.
to,
We will have to change
make
to
the subtraction
addition.
into addition.
yes, so minus as
Plus.
less. How will
Then
you
the
change?
additive inverse of
Negative
9.
9. What is additive
Positive
inverse of
9.
Positive 9. Now there is one problem because one is minus and one is positive. One is plus and
We'll
one
have
is
to-
minus.
Have to find the difference.
Find the difference. What is the difference?
4.
4.
And the greater number
Greater
sign.
number is 9.
9.
So 4 itself.
Positive 4.
Okay. Now anybody wants the explanation?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Again it is given here. You can ask me. Anybody, any doubt, you can ask now. Again, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive. So, change the sign and add. Change the sign and add. This is very important sentence. Change the sign and add. Okay. Change. the sign and add. Okay, children. So our question is 2 minus minus 7. 2 minus minus 7. So 2. Is there any change?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now plus minus as plus.
Addition.
Then negative 7 as
Positive 7.
so 2 plus 7. What is the answer?
9.
9. 9. Again, if you want, no, this visuals I will show again. This one. Okay, children, 1 minute. Here, this one, did you understand? This one, this plus, 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 2 yellow plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Here, one small plus and one big plus. Okay, like this. 1 and 9. So, how will you get?
10.
Ma'am, 10.
10. 10
Which
is
is a
with
greater number.
big number.
that shows that big yellow shape, circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is addition rule, no? 1 plus positive number and one small negative number. Then what happens?
Ma'am, we'll get the small
we'll get the
positive number.
Positive number. So yellow part. It is given yellow part there. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yellow is more. Yellow is
And
bigger in that.
because the positive number is greater
It's bigger.
than the
So that part is shown there. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what about this? Yellow is small. Yellow is small. And this minus is bigger. Red. So you will
And
get
so we'll get the small
number.
negative number.
Now don't look at this subtraction that I will explain next class.
Okay, ma'am.
This is subtraction rule that I will explain in the next class after doing many problems. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
children.
ma'am.
Now did you understand about subtraction?
yes, ma'am.
Wait, I won't give too many problems today. I won't give any problems. Tomorrow, next class, I will explain it again.
Okay, ma'am.
I will explain it again and we will do some questions. Abhiday, are you sleeping? Anna giving thanks to me. Anna, I did not wind up the class.
Okay.
Okay, so I will explain it again. I'll give so many questions afterwards on Tuesday, okay? And we will
Okay,
do
ma'am.
the subtraction questions. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I leave now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.